Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be assembling the Graco DuetSoothe swing and rocker. We have a new baby here. Her name is Sarah Nora. We've been setting up things for her. So today I want to show you how to set up the Graco DuetSoothe swing rocker. I don't know how to say that one. You have the manual here, you have all the parts here, helps the baby swing. So I'm going to be setting up real quick and then hope you can learn something out of it. I'm starting with the base. The base is right here. Put this one right in. And fix these things inside. After doing that, you need to put in the screws. It comes with 4 screws, so that first 2 go down here. Okay, once you're done with that, pull this guy right here. You pull this one. Once you're done with that, you attach this elastic strap here. And then you attach this one right here. Okay. Then you pull these things right in here. One goes up top here, and then the second one goes here, and then this one goes through. So you have 3 things in. Then grab the seat tube. The seat tube is going to go in here. Make sure it fits in here like this. This one, make sure this one snaps here like this, and then we are going and grab the last two screws, put them in here. Yes. Next, you're gonna attach this right here, and this one right here, and this one right here, and this one right here. After that, we remove this one, put it on the side. These 2. And after putting it together, put it aside, bring back this guy right here, and put these guys in until they snap. Oh! Alright, once this guy is done, lift him up. That's how he's looking, nice and good. Put him on the side. Now pull this guy right here. It's the motor. And then these 2. that. Like that. This one. Ooh, down a little bit. Next, grab these two. Next, you grab this guy right here. Bring him in here, snap him right in there. Yeah. Okay. Last, we're gonna bring this guy right here. Right here. And we're going to put this one in. And there he snaps into place. Boom. It goes in the swing. And then it goes to the swing. Alright, so we're going to test it. Now this is your baby swing, but this is the DuetSoothe. There are different kind of models, but this one we're going to test and see how it works with electricity. Remember how you powered it on? We're going to try and see if this guy works. Now we're going to test it and see how it works. Okay, number one, as soon as the baby. Number two, number three, it goes way up to number 6. That's number 6. Your baby's enjoying the swing, but it makes noise. The motor makes noise. That's the only problem we have with it. And you can play some music. Keep pressing it, it keeps changing the music and giving you a different tone. So you have to increase the volume. So we haven't put the baby in yet. Once we put her in, we'll see how she reacts to it and the music. And this one, it's electrical, but if you want, you can use batteries, and the batteries go up. The batteries go up here, 1, 2, 3. You can use 4 batteries for it. Okay, good. One other feature here, you see now it's facing this way, but in case you need to change and face the baby a different way, you press this one in here. That's nice. Okay, once it reaches the position, it releases. Okay, next, you can use a recliner. This one, mostly maybe it's still high for older babies, but you put it down, younger babies can use it. So it has 2 reclining positions, 1 and 2. So this one, babies, older kids. Now this is the swing, but how do you use it as a rocker? If you remove this one and put it up, then it becomes a rocker, and put this guy away. Now the baby can sit in this one and it's rocking. See? You see that rocker? And if you attach the swing, so So you have both a swing and then remove. It becomes a rocker on its own. Fantastic. So you have two things here. As a rocker and a swing, and good. Lastly, don't forget when the baby's in to use seat belts. Put him in or her in. Make sure she's settled well and fine. Up, down for babies. Then they can enjoy the swing and rocker. It's a Graco. It's a Graco duet, double swing and rocker on its own. And that's it. If you're watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you can. But we can't wait for our little girl to enjoy this swing and rocker. And once she's in and enjoying it, we'll be able to share with you. Kudos, bye bye.